hindi magpapaawat sa galing ng American singer-songwriter and dancer. Ang nag-iisang king of pop yan at si Michael Jackson. Ito, Alan, marami na pabilib to dahil bukod sa he sings like Michael Jackson, he dances like Michael Jackson just as well din.
Tumaas ang expectation sa mga judges natin.
Bakit naman hindi?
Dapat
Kanina pa mataas ang expectations sila. Sumakit na nga ang ulo nila, oh. Mula sa San Fernando, Pampanga, masusubukan na rin ang galing sa pagkanta ni Anthony Bea, ang ka-voice ni Michael Jackson!
She was more like a beautiful on the scene. I said, I'm not a do me like an boy. Now and dance around. She said, are you my boy? Now and dance around. She told me her name was Regine.